Hey guys, welcome back, and for those who don't know me, I'm Elise London, and for today's video I'm going to be reviewing this hair that got sent to me from Iseehair, and they sent me their Malaysian 20-inch straight wig, and this wig is a 13x6 and the density is 150%, and alongside of the hair inside of the box was a pack of lashes and a card to take care of the hair. So the cap construction of this wig, it has 4 combs and adjustable straps at the back, and there's also some lace at the back as well. So this unit did come pre-plucked, but I went in as I always do and plucked it a little bit to my liking. And after I plucked it, I added a little bit of my foundation to the lace just so that it will blend in way more with my complexion. And after I did that, it looks way more natural. So let's get into installing this wig.
Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. And I can't lie to you cause you was my first blessing. You stayed down when a nigga had nothing. Not $1 in my pocket, I was bumming. Now we taking trips across the world to London. Hop right off the plane and jump straight into foreign. Stay 2 days and then we booked a flight to Madrid. I'ma lay it till they put me in a casket. She like that Gucci, love that Louis and the Prada. Remember the day she ain't even no designers. I gotta keep a sport cause she my little rider. Smoking all these ones, we gotta get higher. Just the weed and my best friend. Just the weed and my best friend. Yeah. Just the weed and my best friend. Just the weed and my best friend. Yeah. You know, back when I never had a pound on me, you were more than a friend, you are my homie. And I love it when you come roll the herb for me. We get high and then we fall slowly. You know, back when I never had a pound on me, you were more than a friend, you are my homie. And I love it when you come roll the herb for me. We get high and then we fall slowly. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. My backbone from when I was on my Jack Jones. My backbone from when people used to jack phones. My backbone from when I wasn't even that grown. I wasn't even that known. Busy building my throne. I been on my own till the day you came round. You making quiet moves even when you bring loud. You speak a different lingo every time we in clouds. Ever mad connection, you know, coming from the same crowd. You say we grow close every time you come for me. Give me the heads up every time they come for me. You make me feel safe every time you comfort me. I built a company while I was in your company. That means I'm lucky that I got you like that. And every time I lost you, always got you right back. You show up with a zoo and then you say you're in the mood. So I tell you get on top cause you a rider like that, yeah. You know, back when I never had a pound on me, you are more than a friend, you are my homie. And I love it when you come roll the herb for me. We get high and then we fall slowly. You know, back when I never had a pound on me, you are more than a friend, you are my homie. And I love it when you come roll the herb for me. We get high and then we fall slowly. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah. I got the weed and my best friend. Got the weed and my best friend. Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is how the wig turns out. The hair is very good quality, the hair is very silky, very soft, very manageable, and I haven't experienced any shedding with this wig whatsoever. If you guys have any questions to ask me, or if you would like to see me do a particular hair brand and you would like me to review it, then leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. So thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
When you come roll the herb for me, we get high and then we fall slow.